Hey guys, I'm Ash from Training and Inspection Services, and we provide a preparatory course for API Individual Certification Program exam in API 510, 570, Piping Inspector, 571, 577, 580, 653, 1169, Source Inspector, Fixed and Rotating Equipment. Today, I'm going to talk about some of the free questions that we offer to all the candidates. But before that, let's go and see what are our two packages on API 570 Piping Inspector. So one is the full course, and the other one is the mock exam package. I'll take up the full course and let's see what's in it. So if you go to our curriculum, you can see that there is a basic fact, benchmark quiz. These are open, accessible to all for free. And then module 2, we have body of knowledge and a scoring area, vocabulary. And module 3, there is an extensive non-destructive examination with flashcards and practice questions. And then module 4, welding engineering, ASLE section 8, we talk about welding procedure, qualification, materials, WPS, WPQ, and it has flashcards and practice questions, and welding inspection, process inspection, visual inspection, defects and repairs, and flashcards and practice questions, and then extensive set for damage mechanism, because we know many candidates face difficulty on this subject. So we have 6 sets of flashcards and 3 sets of practice question here, and then ASME B31.3 process piping with flashcards, and then flange and fittings, and again flashcards and quiz, and then piping inspection practice 574 and 578, which is PMI, positive material identification, with flashcards and quiz, and then the all important 570 piping inspection code with that is being explained in details with flashcards and practice question. And then we have 19 sets of flashcards and 4 sets of mock exams. So what you get here is, in a nutshell, is 7 hours of video, 19 flashcards, 32 lessons, and 1,000 questions. And you get it for 120 days, 24/7 course access, plus online support via WhatsApp or email that you can use. And so far we didn't have any candidates failing and returning back to us, but we offer also give you 2 options. If you fail, you have the option of renewing it for free for another 4 months. Just send us your failed scorecard, or you can ask for a full refund and we refund your money. Okay, let's go and solve some questions. So here we made the same environment as real API exam. So you have next question, you can see the answer, but obviously you can't see it in the real API exam. And we put a percentage of your progress, but on mock exam, the exam are timed, and then you can see how many you have answered actually correctly. And if you flag this off, it turns red. ID choice. So you can come back to it later on. Okay, question 1. API recommended practice 574 inspection practice for piping system components does not cover control valves. This is obvious, isn't it? It's all about piping, not valves. The refining industry generally uses what type of piping for severe service? So for severe service, because there is a leaking, they would have dire consequences, so normally we use seamless. So we don't have any problem with leaking from wells or any failure from that end, because that's safer. Piping is normally made by rolling plates and welding the seams for pipes larger than 16 inch. That's normally an inspector should know from the piping experience. Series and alloy piping are also manufactured to a standard dimension in nominal pipe sizes up to 48 inch. Steel and alloy piping are also manufactured to a standard thickness designated as schedules in nominal pipe sizes up to 36 inch. So for normally 48 there would be one size, so if you want a different size then you have to especially request it. The actual thickness of rope piping may vary from its nominal thickness by manufacturing under tolerance of as much as 12.5%. So this is a potential question. Cast piping has thickness tolerance of 0 to plus 1/16 of inch, so it can be less than the nominated or nominal thickness. For all nominal pipe sizes of 12 inch and smaller, the size refers to nominal inside diameter. Remember, 12 inch and less is inside diameter, so if you got NPS 12, it's actually 12.03 or 04 or 12.4 inch depending on the schedule, whereas above 12 inch, say a 14 inch pipe, means the outside diameter actually is 14 inch, whereas for less than 12 actually it's the inside diameter, means it's 12 inch. Under tolerance of welded plates for pipe manufacturing is 0.01 inch. That's in ASME section 8 as well, and everywhere the plate can be more than 0.01 inch thinner than the stated thickness. Tubing is generally seamlessly drawn but may be also welded. Its stated size is its actual outside diameter. Also, there are many types of valves. Which one of the valves listed below is incorrect? So we have gate valve, check valve, globe valve. We don't have any style valve. There is no valve called style valve. Sometimes they will ask very simple question. What type of valve is normally used in a fully open or fully closed position? So it's always a gate valve. The gate valve can be half open, otherwise it will erode very fast. It's a gate, either it's closed or open. What is a globe valve used for? To regulate fluid flow. So you can put it half open, full open, or a percentage of it, and then they would be regulating the fluid flow. What are check valves normally used for? To prevent backflow. That you should know. What type of pipe joint is generally limited to piping in non-critical service and has a nominal size of 2 inch or smaller? Threaded joints. Because you can see on utility piping is all threaded in your household or anywhere. Socket welded joints are usually used in nominal pipe size of 2 inch or smaller, so it's always 2 inch. Which of the joints listed is the most common found in petroleum industry? It's always butt welded joints, because the butt weld is actually a strain joint. The primary purpose of piping inspection is always safety, guys. Always safety, reliability. That's the main reason. OSHA 190/1910 mandates that piping to be inspected to a code that is mandatory. It should be a mandatory document such as a API 570 code. Regulatory requirements usually cover only those conditions that affect safety. It's always about safety, guys. Now, if you want to see the answer, click on this and you can see the answer here. If you see the whole result, you can go back and check your answer if you have time. If you want to see the whole result, it will ask you that you have flagged off the question. Do you want to still go cancel and review the question, or you want to go and see the result anyway. So I'll say okay. That means I'm going to see the result anyway. So here will be you receive score 20 out of 20 points. So if there is any wrong answer will be shown in red. So thank you guys. Please visit our website and look at our first module for free. Thank you.